Morning, everybody. It's 8:44 on this Monday, the 16th of September, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2247. Okay, the only economic news this morning was the Empire State Manufacturing, which showed a positive 11.5. The estimate was for a minus 5. And so there seems to be a fair amount of strength in manufacturing, which probably gives the FOMC a little bit more leeway towards 50 basis points from 25. But we'll have to see. Asia is primarily closed today. We have a holiday in, in China, Japan, South Korea. The only thing that's open is the Hong Kong Hang Seng, and so basically unchanged in Asia, slightly lower in Europe. Here, the Dow is currently up. It's the only one that is up. The Dow is up 92 and change. It has been up as much. I've only seen it up as high as 107, so not really much. The NASDAQ was down 63 when I came in this morning. Got to down 92 after those numbers, and that's around where it is right now. S&P is basically flat. It was down $3. It's now down $5. So really not a lot. The bonds are up, so yields are down. The 210, the 10s are up. Down 2 basis points, and the 2s are down 1 basis point, so that increases the decreases the spread there from 10 where it closed down to 9. Some of the banks are up. Stocks in the news. Apple is down 537. Now, I mentioned this last week. This is, I think, a huge disappointment on this new iPhone release, since it's coming in dribs and drabs. And I don't think that, they say that the pre-orders are estimated around 37 million. I have no idea what they were supposed to be, but in the meantime, the stock is 217 and change, down 537 or 2.5%. Intel got a $3.5 billion military contract. Big deal. The stock is $19.89, up 23 cents. Colgate Palmolive down $1.60, downgraded to underweight from equal weight at Wells Fargo. Google reiterated as an outperform, but the price target was lowered to 200 from 2.25 at Evercore. The stock is 158. Ally Financial downgraded to neutral from BTIG, and Spotify reiterated as overweight at KeyBank. Price target raised to 440 from 420. Last is 340. As far as the rest of the futures, we have the oil slightly higher on a very small range today. It really looks like it's trying to dig in down here. Let's look at the weekly, give you a little bit better idea. We did get down to 65.27 last week, but managed to close near the high of the week and up on the week, so a little bit of follow through. I'd expect this area around 73 to show a fair amount of supply. In the meantime, we're up 63 cents. Nat gas is down a little. The grains are mixed. Gold is down $3. Silver is up 20 cents. We have cotton up almost $2. This one I mentioned in last night's letter. It looks really interesting to me. It really is trying to put in a bottom down here, and my commentary was bullish, especially since we've been undergoing this consolidation. The MACD has turned up, and the 5 and 20 day look like they're about to cross back to the upside. I could easily see this at around 80 cents, and this is a $5,000 a point contract, so that's a fairly substantial move. The dollar is weak again as the bonds are higher. Bonds are currently unchanged to slightly higher. They were higher before, but the dollar is down 41 cents, just trading right above par. Par spot 37. They were down as low as par spot 27, so they've been down as much as about a half a buck. Bitcoin is down 1,300, Ethereum down 124. You know, the Bitcoin is down from an all-time high of around 75,000, and the Ethereum is 2,300. It was up as high as 3,000. So these things have really been down, and it kind of puts the kibosh on the argument that Bitcoin is digital gold. Real gold is making new all-time highs almost on a daily, certainly on a weekly basis, while Bitcoin can't get out of its own way. All right, folks, that's about it. We have big news on Wednesday with the FOMC, and we'll have to see what it looks like. Have a good one.